Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am very happy to have you here. A little bit of a change of scenery today. I'm in the kitchen. That's why it's a bit echoey, so I do apologise. Today's video is a few bits and bobs. Obviously it's bonfire night, or it was just gone, so we enjoyed playing with sparklers and watching the fireworks, so I thought I'd put that in the video. A couple of bits that needed doing today. The oven needed cleaning. I didn't clean inside the glass because I'm going to do that another day. And also my kettle needed cleaning because it's very old. It was my partner's kettle before I moved in, so it's really old and we need to get a new one. But until then, I've cleaned it. I've got all of the gunk off. It came out a lot better than I expected actually. And also I've tried to descale the inside of the kettle, so we'll see how that turns out. Yeah, just a few bits and bobs today in this week's video. Please let me know if you want to see any more cleaning videos. I mean, I have a whole house, so there's plenty to clean. I just don't want it to be too repetitive, if that makes sense. So yeah, let me know, and I hope you enjoy this video. So today I'm going to be cleaning the oven and my kettle because the oven is absolutely disgusting again, and my kettle needs descaling and it's really old, so I need to get all of the gunk off it. I've just made a cup of tea, so I'll do the oven first while the kettle cools down. Yeah, I will show you what the oven looks like before I clean it. So the top half of the oven isn't that bad. The bottom of the oven is quite dirty, so I'm gonna get that cleaned. So this is what it looks like now. I apologise for the reflection. I know it would have been a lot more satisfying to watch me clean the front of it if you couldn't see the reflection in there, but I can't help that. This is now the inside. Obviously I'm aware that the inside of these need cleaning, but I'm not going to do that today. The main thing is that they are clean. Obviously this is smooth, but I don't know, I think it's the paint chipping or something, but it is clean. Now I'm going to try and tackle this. See all of the dirt. And the lighting's not very good, I apologise. But also, the inside needs descaping. So I tried to descale the kettle and as you can see it didn't work. Ooh, it's steaming up. Yeah, I've come to the conclusion that this kettle is just, it's gone. It's way too old. So we're gonna have to get a new one. But it came out so much better than I was expecting. Like there was so much gunk built up there. I mean, obviously that white stuff is just the reminiscence of the pink stuff, which I will be getting on. But yeah, it came out surprisingly well. Like, I'm impressed. There's no more nasty, sticky gunk on the top of it. It's all gone. That makes me sound really disgusting, like I don't clean, but I do. It's just, it's the same as the stuff on here. You know, when you get that sticky grease, that's the steam and everything, and then dust gets stuck to it, and yeah, it takes forever to get off. But yeah, that's come out really nice. I've decided I'm going to do a quick fridge organisation for you guys because everybody loves those. I do anyway. And I open the fridge and it looks like this. So yeah, it doesn't want to focus. There you go. A mess. Everything is not where it's supposed to be. It doesn't need cleaning because I actually did it the other day. So I'm just going to reorganise everything, make it look pretty.
waiting for love to be realized. I'll send her my heart covered as a gift, and know that you'll take it into her side. La 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 la.
I don't really have a long outro to film. I said most of it in the intro, but this is just to end the video, I guess. So yes, I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.